All styled up for you, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. So,
I'm gonna put on some lashes right now.
Right.
Do a stylized lash.
A stylized lash. What's that, sis?
That is when our lashes don't look normal. They look different. We're gonna cut up some lashes and we're gonna make it look like editorial.
Okay.
Think editorial looks, but for the daily. But you have to be bold.
What would you call that girl who does an editorial on a daily?
She's definitely bold. She's definitely fierce. And she's very self-aware.
Self-aware.
She's very self-aware.
And when you self-aware, what them lashes do? What they look like?
They be real sexy.
Yeah?
Yeah, start by putting on. We're going to use our garter belt. This is a silk lash that I have here. It's really cute. And I'm just going to use my Stay Attached to Me glue lash adhesive. And we're going to put up our top lashes first. Already cut them to be the size that I want them to be already. So we're going to let this sit for just a second. We're going to do the other one. Okay. And now we're going to just put some glue on this one. You gotta be cute. So I put these on like this because I want to be noticed. I want to be seen. So I want to bring you in.
Well, why don't you mind being seen?
Why not? I don't want it. You meet people that way. Instead of being like to yourself,
Mm-hmm.
you bring light to other people too.
Mm-hmm.
You just make somebody's day. I think that's why mostly what we say. Let's start from the center, inner, and outer. That's how we put our lashes on, okay? Always center, inner, and outer. And we'll start there. I like to make sure that my lashes have the shorter end is to the inner and the longer is on the outside. To it. Let's see. I drop it in the center. I fix my inner because I don't want this poking me. Nobody has time for your lashes to poke you. And then we'll do the outer to be able to set it and pull it to where it needs to sit. That's that click lash I talk about. With my Stay Attached to Me lash adhesive, I swear, my lashes just click on. Perfect. And I have a lash. Nice. It's that lash now. So let's move on to our last one. Sometimes I have a hard time with this eye. She doesn't like to participate. I think it's like a hand-eye coordination.
Mm-hmm.
That comes in too. I have to add a little more adhesive. One thing that is true about all lash adhesive is that the humidity will get you.
Mm-hmm.
Humidity and the temperature will always get you. Sometimes it'll take less, sometimes it'll take more, but it depends on like where you are, because glue will dry on you real fast. We're gonna do our center, our inner, and then we're gonna pull to the side. Make sure that it's stuck there. Shall I get a little personal? See, I feel better with my lashes on. I feel so much better. better person. Now to the look, darling. And for a cute look, we want to put 3 on the bottom to make sure that we look cute. Okay, so this is what we do. We cut them up so you have your little eyelash extension. I have my glue that I'm using here. This one will be quick, so you get your little lash extension by just simply cutting a full strip. And we're going to just plop it to the bottom, but we're going to put it under our lash. So I come here, I find a good point to put my smaller one. I prefer to have a smaller one in the front, the longer ones on the end. So being that our lash adhesive just dries so quickly and it's so great, it won't take long for this to dry. Now we just add a little bit of Stylized.
Drama.
And we're just slightly noticed. I just think like, oh, you've got like something different there. Yeah, but let's take it up. If you're really bold, I do this. I've been liking to look like I have spiders on my face, and I don't mind it. Like, if I'm gonna be the lash lady, we're gonna be the lash lady. Yeah, I want you to be like her lashes. Every time I seen her, her lashes were like so different. It's real different. I don't mind getting a, oh, that's different. Yeah, let's do that. So, add another. Why not? Add another little baby one to give that eye some depth. This time we're going to add a longer one and we're going to put it to the outside of our eye. And then we have it. Look, it's almost done. I just need one more to make me happy. Let's add a little bit more depth to the eye. This is totally editorial. I could go in now and maybe add in some colors. I could go in and add some feathers. I could go in and add some pearls. I could add stones. I could go rogue right now with it. But we're going to do this and we're going to add one more. Just so we're going to get a little bit more glue. And then let's put on the last lash for the bottom. I'm going to figure out where to place this. Maybe here. I think here is cute. But yes, this is a stylized look here. It's so simple, so easy to do, and I love to play with these looks. They just make me feel so cute and different with my lashes on. She got top and bottom. Top and bottom. My eye is styled. We have the drama. We are garter belt and cinched up, honey. Do you get into this? We gotta get a little dry. We have to dry a little bit. I have a little hand frame here that I love to use. There we go. We're all stylized. This just helps it to like dry. I love this thing too. Yeah. These are stylized eyelashes. Lash'set. Get into it. Didn't say. No. Darling, you must stop doing this before I ravish you. Yeah.
Alright.
And sit.